Hello students. In this video, we'll explore Unit 4. Multilingualism in India. Ever wondered how Indians effortlessly switch between 3+ languages daily? Let's decode this superpower. In this video, we will cover Introduction. Discover India's unique multilingual reality with real-life code mixing examples. Example. Kal jo maine movie dekhi, it was exciting. Myth of monolingualism. Debunk the idea of one nation, one language. Example, Spanish speakers, China's 298 languages. Language families in India. Learn about 4 major families. Indo-Aryan, Hindi, Bengali, Dravidian, Tamil, Telugu, Tibeto-Burman, Bodo, and Austro-Asiatic, Khasi. Pervasiveness of multilingualism. See how India's "Kos kos par badle pani, char kos par bani" reflects linguistic diversity. Multilingualism as a resource. Explore how classrooms can use multilingualism for inclusive learning. Let us sum up. Recap why multilingualism defines Indian identity and fosters social justice. Before we move on, please like, share and subscribe the channel for more such study materials. And one important information: if you'd like the notes for this video, check the download link in the description box. Thank you. Introduction. Let's dive deeper into where we explore how multilingualism works in real-life Indian contexts. What is multilingualism? Speaking multiple languages fluently. Example, Hindi plus English plus regional language. India's unique context. Most Indians use 2+ languages daily. Example, Bhojpuri at home, Hindi in markets, English at work. Code mixing, switching. Naturally blending languages in conversations. Example, Kal jo maine movie dekhi, it was so exciting. Why it matters? Shows language fluidity. Our brains don't separate languages rigidly. Reflects cultural identity and social adaptability. Myth of monolingualism. Let's bust the myth that countries have just one language. Reality is far more exciting. Global reality. Most monolingual nations are actually multilingual. Example, USA, English plus Spanish, UK, 30+ dialects, China, 298 languages. Immigration and diversity. Spanish speakers from Mexico, Cuba, make it bilingual. UK has 11 indigenous languages plus immigrant languages, Polish, Punjabi. Hidden variations. France, 28 dialects like Breton, Basque, not just French. China, Mandarin and Cantonese are mutually unintelligible despite shared roots. Globalization effect. People need multiple languages for travel, business, and social media. English is a lingua franca, common bridge language, in India, globally. Language families in India. Let's dive deeper into India's 4 major language families. The roots of our multilingual superpower. What is a language family? A group of languages with a common ancestor. Example, siblings from the same parent. The 4 major families in India. Indo-Aryan, 78% of Indians. Languages. Hindi, Bengali, Punjabi, Gujarati, Marathi. Fun fact. Bhojpuri isn't constitutionally recognized. Dravidian, 19% of Indians. Languages. Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam. Mostly spoken in South India. Tibeto-Burman, 1 to 1.5% of Indians. Languages. Bodo, Naga, Manipuri. Found in Northeast India. Example, Assam, Nagaland. Austro-Asiatic, 1% of Indians. Languages. Khasi, Meghalaya. Santali, Mundari. Small but unique. Shared features of Indian languages. SOV structure. Ria apple eats, not Ria eats apple. Adjectives before nouns. Lal seb, red apple. Question words start with K, Q, Kaun, Kab, Why, Who, When. The pervasiveness of multilingualism in India. Let's dive deeper into how multilingualism is everywhere in India. From villages to cities, and even in your daily conversations. Kos kos par badle pani, char kos par bani. Just like water tastes change every kilometer, languages change every few kilometers in India. Linguistic repertoire. Most Indians speak 2+ languages. Example, mother tongue plus Hindi, English plus regional language. Example, a Delhiite might use Punjabi at home, Hindi in markets, and English at work. Media and daily life. Movies, songs, ads, and signs use multiple languages. Example, Bollywood's Hindi plus English mix. Example, Life में बैलेंस होना चाहिए. Balance is needed in life. Village case study, Kupwar, Maharashtra. 4 languages, Marathi, Urdu, Kannada, Telugu, merged syntax to create a local lingua franca. Proves Indians adapt languages to communicate effortlessly across groups. Constitutional versus ground reality. Only 22 languages are officially recognized, but 1,600 plus are actually spoken. Example: Bhojpuri, Magahi are called Hindi dialects, but are full-fledged languages. Multilinguality, Agnihotri's concept. Languages flow into each other, no rigid boundaries. Example: Oh tokha takat raha hai. Hindi plus Telugu mix for he's staring at you. Multilingualism as a resource. Let's dive deeper into why multilingualism is a super resource. Not just in society, but especially in classrooms. Identity and flexibility. Knowing multiple languages equals multiple identities. Example: Tamil at home, Hindi with friends, English at work. Like being a global citizen with no fixed linguistic boundaries. Classroom challenges. Many schools ignore students' native languages, forcing a standard language. Example: only English, Hindi. This alienates marginalized kids who feel their languages are less valuable. Solutions for teachers. Translation activities. Compare poems, grammar rules across languages to show similarities. Example: translate, where are you going? Into Hindi, Tamil, Bengali. Notice SOV pattern. Democratic classrooms. Let students use all languages they know. No language is superior. Boost confidence. Kids feel proud when their home language is valued in school. Big benefits. Promotes equality and social justice. Makes learning inclusive for rural, tribal students. Helps kids think critically by comparing languages. Let us sum up. Let's recap Unit 4 key takeaways about multilingualism. Why it's India's superpower and how it shapes our lives. India equals multilingual hub. Over 1,600 plus languages spoken, belonging to 4 major families. Indo-Aryan, Dravidian, Tibeto-Burman, Austro-Asiatic. Example: a Delhiite might speak Bhojpuri at home, Hindi in markets, and English at work. Myth busted. No country is truly monolingual. Even the USA, Spanish, UK, 30 dialects, and China, 298 languages, are diverse. Language families unite. Despite differences, Indian languages share SOV word order. Example: Riya seb khati hai equals subject-object-verb. Common traits. Adjectives before nouns, lal seb. Interrogatives with ke, kaha. Multilingualism in action. Code mixing, switching is natural. Example: Kal movie dekhi, it was fab. Lingua francas, like Hindi, English, bridge gaps between speakers. Classrooms need change. Current education often ignores students' home languages, marginalizing many. Solution: use multilingualism as a resource. Compare languages, celebrate diversity. Big message: multilingualism equals identity plus social justice. It's time to value all languages equally. Before we end, please like, share and subscribe the channel for more such study materials. And one important information: if you'd like the notes for this video, check the download link in the description box. Thank you.